Have you ever caught her looking at you for a moment too long? Or felt that tension between you two that seemed to say so much without any words? There are certain moves, those subtle actions that seem innocent but leave a lasting impact. These are the moves that can make her think about you, even when you're not around. But what happens when the right moves are made at the right moment? What if these forbidden actions start a chain of thoughts in her mind that make her picture a future with you? It's all about knowing the small things that can trigger a bigger emotional response. In today's video, we'll share the top 5 forbidden moves that have the power to make her imagine a life with you. Even if you've just met, these moves are unique. And while they may seem simple, they carry a hidden weight. You might not even realize you're doing them, but when done right, they can change everything. Stick with us as we go through each one, ranked from the smallest impact to the one that will leave her completely captivated. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights like these. Number 5. The silent stare. The first forbidden move is one that you might not even realize you're doing. The silent stare. There is power in silence, especially when it's accompanied by a soft, lingering gaze. When you look at her without speaking, yet with a calm intensity, it creates a sense of mystery and intrigue. She'll begin to wonder why you're looking at her that way. Is there something more behind that gaze? In a world full of distractions, when someone focuses entirely on her, it makes her feel special. Your eyes become a mirror to her soul, leaving her to imagine what it would be like to have your attention all the time. This move doesn't have to last long, but the effect can linger. It's not about staring her down, but more about showing her that you see her, really see her, in a way that no one else does. This act often triggers a powerful emotional response. She might not admit it, but she'll be thinking about it long after you walk away. What are you hiding behind that stare? Could you be the one to finally understand her in a way others haven't? That's the silent power of a meaningful look. Number 4. The unexpected compliment. Compliments are easy, but the unexpected compliment is what hits differently. Instead of telling her she looks pretty, go deeper. Compliment her personality, her intelligence, or the way she carries herself. When you give a compliment that goes beyond the surface, you show her you're paying attention to things that matter. This kind of compliment makes her feel seen for who she truly is, and not just for her appearance. It says you value her on a deeper level. When she feels appreciated for qualities that most people overlook, it makes her want to imagine a future with someone who truly sees her. When the compliment is unexpected, it also creates a sense of surprise. She didn't see it coming, and it makes her question why you're the one noticing things others miss. It leaves her with a lingering feeling of admiration, wondering if there could be more between the two of you. Number 3. The touch that speaks volumes. Touch is one of the most powerful ways to communicate, and when done in the right context, it can make her imagine a life with you. This isn't about grabbing or overstepping boundaries. Instead, it's about subtle touches that convey warmth, safety, and comfort. A hand on her shoulder, a gentle touch of her arm during a laugh, or even a light tap to get her attention. These little acts of touch say more than words could ever express. They send a message that you care, that you're present, and that you are comfortable with her. When done correctly, this physical closeness can spark emotions and thoughts of intimacy, making her wonder what it would be like to be even closer to you. It triggers an emotional response, as physical touch is tied to bonding. And while these touches may seem small, their impact is undeniable. They can make her start imagining a future where you're there for her in a comforting, supportive way. Number 2. The intriguing mystery. Mystery is magnetic. When you leave certain things unsaid, it creates a curiosity in her that draws her in. Being an open book all the time may seem like a good idea, but sometimes keeping a little bit of mystery can be even more effective. This doesn't mean you should play games or hide your true self, but rather, you should allow her to discover you slowly. Let her ask questions. Let her feel the thrill of getting to know you, bit by bit. This slow reveal creates anticipation and excitement, which makes her wonder what's next. The more she starts to feel she's getting closer to understanding you, the more her mind will start imagining a life with you. She'll start filling in the blanks, fantasizing about your past, your personality, and your future together. This playful sense of mystery is one of the most alluring qualities you can offer, and it makes her dream of what could be. Number 1. The confidence that draws her. Confidence is incredibly attractive. When you walk into a room with self-assurance, it commands attention. But it's not just about how you carry yourself externally. True confidence comes from within. It's about being comfortable in your own skin, owning your decisions, and not needing constant validation from others. When a woman sees a man who is confident in who he is, she starts to wonder what it would be like to share her life with someone who is so sure of themselves. Confidence creates a sense of security, and for many women, that sense of security is incredibly appealing. It makes her feel safe and cared for, and these feelings can lead her to picture a future together. Confidence also radiates strength. It tells her that you can handle challenges, both in life and in a relationship. When you show her that you can handle difficult situations without faltering, it builds trust and admiration. It's this trust and admiration that make her think about the future, and whether you could be the person to stand by her side in it. You've now seen how these moves can make her imagine a future with you instantly. These actions might seem small, but they pack a punch. Each one plays on emotions and feelings that spark curiosity and attraction. The key is knowing how to be present, showing confidence, and creating a sense of mystery. When you master these subtle moves, it's not just about impressing her. It's about making her feel valued and special in a way that she hasn't experienced before. These steps help you build a connection that goes beyond the surface. It's about understanding what women truly appreciate and showing them that you see them for who they really are. When you combine the right moves with genuine care and attention, the possibility of a deeper connection becomes very real. It's important to remember that these actions aren't tricks or games. They are genuine ways to let her know that you are someone who can make her feel something different. It's about creating moments that leave a lasting impression, making her start to imagine the two of you together in a way that goes beyond just casual interaction. You might be wondering how you can apply these moves in your own life. What if you try the next time you're in her presence? You might be surprised by how powerful the simplest gestures can be. Even the smallest move could shift the direction of your relationship and open new doors of connection. So, now that you know the forbidden moves, why not give them a try? Next time you see her, think about how you can subtly use these gestures to make her think of you in a whole new way. It's not about being perfect, but about being genuine and present. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more. We'll continue to share tips and insights that can make a difference in your relationships. The more you know, the more you can make these small changes that lead to big shifts. So, stay tuned for more tips on how to connect with the people who matter most to you. So, what's next? Keep practicing these subtle actions and see how the dynamic shifts. You may be surprised at how even the smallest change can make a big impact. Each step you take will bring you closer to understanding the delicate dance of attraction and connection. If you're ready to take it a step further, make sure you stay connected with us. There are so many more tips and strategies that can help you improve your relationships and interactions. With a little effort and the right mindset, you can turn every encounter into an opportunity for growth and connection. If this video gave you valuable insights, don't forget to hit that like button. Share it with friends who might find it helpful, and subscribe so you can stay updated on all the latest tips. Stay tuned for more content that helps you unlock deeper connections and build lasting relationships.